still doing it?
Yep.
He's not gonna pop a hole in it, is he?
No.
Oh, no.
Well, we just discovered that Abe is a swimmer dog.
Yeah, Abe's a swimmer
He just
dog.
brought the weed in there.
Whoops. I think maybe we need to take him to Grandma and Grandpa's to their lake. And that dog will be happy as a clam.
Oh, you're gonna get dirt in the pool.
Well, you haven't shocked it yet. Whoa! Where'd he go?
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Now look it.
Oops, now we're going over here.
Hey, do you guys want to do me a favor?
Get me wet. Here, Jim, step away a second. Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. He just wiggled. Look at him. Oh, wow.
Well, she wouldn't have gotten that pool if she was on fire.
No, neither would Ginger. Wow. My dog is going nuts. He's so excited. He likes the snow. He likes the...
Well, yeah, because he never seen snow before. Oh, gosh.
Oh.
There he goes again.
Oh my goodness.
What's he doing?
Shoot, I wasn't recording. Now I'm recording. Okay, this dog is a swimmer. We've just discovered. Abe. Woodland creature.
He's so cute.
Maybe he's a circus dog.
He loves to swim.
Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. I've never, ever seen a dog.
He goes from the laying down to the jumping in the pool position.
Wow. Oh my.
Hey, don't bite the pool.
Okay, don't bite it, dude.
You'll lose your pool privileges.
Okay, you gonna go back to the tub?
Oh, what are you doing?
We had this tub out for him. Apparently it was too small.
Now look it.
I fall in it, I can't get up.
Oh my. Abe, you were full of surprises.
Whee! Jumping.
How he flipped.
I think I missed it when he went sliding out of the pool. I think Jennifer has lost interest in Abe.
I'm watching the video.
Oh, you watched
Oh, Abe!
Oh man, it's got everybody wet.
This is awesome. I love this.
About time you put the pool up. I've been waiting.
Hey, what are you doing?
Justin, you want to go for a swim? Want to go for a swim? Go for a swim? Now what are you going to do? Take a breather?
Wow!
Woodland creature.
I've been so hot. I've been hot for days.
It's called Abe, a woodland creature. From Mars. Right. Going over to the top. There. There you go.
Wash off his paws.
Yeah. Jennifer, don't get in my way.
I knew this backyard was for me. Hey, what's that? Is it a hose?
Boo!
so fast for such a small dog?
I don't know. Hey, do that again. I missed it.
Where am I? Squirrel?
Squirt.
Where?
Squirrel. Where?
Water?
It's getting deeper. What's he doing?
What you doing? Abe.
What are you doing?
Now he is going to be too short to jump into it this summer, right? While we're in.
Only once.
Oh my gosh.
Hey!
Just kidding.
Boo! Ah! Stupid
Go
flies.
for a swim, Daddy.
Hey, can you guys take your shoes off and
Why?
help me with the sides of the pool?
Fine.